in another episode of Instagram Made Me Buy It. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning back in. If you're new here, don't forget to 1, subscribe, and 2, hit the notification bell, and 3, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because it does help my channel. And if you're an old-time subscriber, welcome on back. So as I'm browsing on Instagram, I ran across one of my followers' pages, one of her Insta stories, and she was raving about this product that she uses. Her mom and her sisters, they all use this product to help to grow their lashes naturally. And this is a lash serum. So the name of the company is called Hello Skincare, and they have this lash serum, this conditioning serum that's supposed to help your lashes to grow naturally, longer, and healthier without having to pile on the mascara. You can use mascara to enhance it, but if you don't use mascara, then you'll still get the results of these long, beautiful lashes naturally. So I was very intrigued to look into this product, see what it was all about. The first thing I want to do is check the reviews, see what people had to say about it. So I headed over to the company and I went straight to that product, which is their lash, it's called Lash Therapy. I read the reviews, very high positive reviews, lots of 5 stars, lots of pictures of people with their results of using this eyelash serum. So I was very intrigued and just very curious to see if it would grow my lashes. Again, I've never used the eyelash serum before, so I was like, it would be nice to use something that's going to grow my lashes naturally without having to pile on the mascara or layer on the mascara to get that effect, because my allergies are really bad. And a lot of times I don't really like to wear mascara because my allergies are bad, but I want that length, I want that fullness because I have these big eyes and I have these stumpy little lashes. I've always had stumpy lashes, and I do pile on the mascara to really get my eyes to really pop and stand out and just look really pretty against these big eyes. So if I can do that naturally without having to pile on all of that mascara to do so, then that will be great. But anyway, I headed over to the website to check out the product and just learn more about it and just read about the ingredients, what's in it, because that's very important. So, and I'll go over all that, all the deets, all the specs in this video, just so you know. So I did make a purchase, and she did have a discount code, and I used that discount code. It probably doesn't work now, but it gave me a really nice discount off of the product. So I will be unboxing this product today. I got it a couple of days ago. I have not used it yet. I just opened the box and peeked inside, but I have not opened it. I don't know what it smells like or anything. So I'm going to go ahead and start getting into the product and just give you all the information, all the details about it. I have my notes here just to make sure I don't miss anything. So let's go ahead and get into this eyelash serum that I purchased. Alright, so I got this product a few days ago, and again, I just peeked inside. So this is the box that it actually came in. So when you open it up, you get all this little pretty paper in there on the product. And it says, hello, let's take this relationship to the next level. And inside is the eyelash serum. I don't think there's anything else in there. Nope, nothing else. So this is the eyelash serum, and this is the tube that it comes in. This is what it looks like. I'll just roll it around a little bit. It still has the plastic on it because I have not opened it up yet, so I'm going to do that now. Finally got the paper off of it. Good grief, that was a task. So it's pretty lightweight. It feels like there's nothing in there, but there is. So this is the tube, like I said, that it comes in. It says hello, skincare at the bottom. Let's open it up. Oh. Okay. Like time capsule type stuff. Okay, so this is it. And it's got, I guess, instructions inside of this tube. Let's open it up. Okay, so it basically just tells you how to use it, the ingredients. 6-month supply. They do have a 3-month supply. Those are the only two options you have, 3 or 6 months. So again, 6-month supply. So what is this lash serum and what does it do? What is it for? So on the tube as well as on the site, it says this is a deep conditioning lash treatment specifically formulated with a proprietary blend of peptides, vitamins, and amino acids to fortify and moisturize dry, damaged, and broken lash hairs, and gives the appearance of longer, fuller, lush-looking lashes. Now for the ingredients, because I'm pretty sure you are very curious to what's inside of this lash serum that's going to grow your eyelashes. So let's go ahead and get into the ingredients. So the ingredients include water, which is the first ingredient. It also has aloe vera juice. It has myristal pentapeptide 17, myristal hexapeptide 16, glycerin biotin. It has green tea leaf extract. It has Swiss apple stem cell, hyaluronic acid, some other words. It's got B5. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce some of this stuff. It's got B5 and some other long words, but I'm going to put the ingredients on the screen so that way you can read them for yourself. You can pause the screen, but just read it for yourself. But more importantly, this lash serum is cruelty-free, it's paraben-free, sulfate-free, phosphate-free, it is vegan-friendly, and it's silicone-free. So some of the key ingredients, such as the Swiss apple stem cell, this encourages new skin cell generation and longer cell life, ensuring the healthiest lash growth conditions. The aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties to help soothe and calm the skin. The MH16 and the MP17 are the eyelash peptides. And these are powerhouse peptides specifically developed to work together for the purpose of promoting eyelash health and growth. The green tea leaf extract also assists with anti-aging and soothing the skin to help keep your lids nice and smooth, and is rich in antioxidants. And the last highlighted ingredient, which is the hyaluronic acid. So this ingredient can hold up to 1,000 times its own weight in water, leaving the skin feeling smooth and hydrated, eliminating microlines and driving additional moisture into the growing lashes. So there are 3 phases of the eyelash growth cycle. So you have the anagen growth phase. This is the phase when the lashes are actively growing, and it lasts between 30 to 45 days. Only 40% of the upper lashes and 15% of the lower lashes are in the anagen phase at any one time. Each lash will grow to a specific length and then stop. The second phase is the cantigen, which is the transition phase. During this phase, the lash stops growing and the hair follicle shrinks. If an eyelash falls out or is plucked out during this phase, it won't grow back right away because the follicles need to complete the cantigen phase before it can move on to the next one. The phase can last between 15 to 20 days. And the last and third phase is the telogen or resting phase. This phase can last more than 100 days before the eyelash falls out and a new one begins to grow. Because each individual lash is in its own phase of the growth cycle, it's normal for a few lashes to fall out most days. It typically takes between 4 to 8 weeks to fully replace an eyelash. Now for some questions that you guys may have. Now these frequently asked questions are on their website, but I'll just go over some of the frequently asked questions that you may have during the course of this video. Just to save you time to, go to the website and look. So the first question is, how long will it take for you to notice results? So it says with the lash therapy, it starts working from the very first application. Okay. Typically, you can see the effects after 3 to 4 weeks with full results around 90 days. They do offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you are not 100% satisfied with your purchase, it says you just send it back, the unused portion, and you'll be refunded your total purchase price minus the initial shipping and handling charges. The biggest question I think you guys may have is what happens when you stop using this eyelash serum? Do your eyelashes fall out? What happens? So this is the response. So it says lash therapy is a beauty treatment and discontinuing use will return your lashes to their original appearance. So your eyelashes just go back to normal. as if you were never using it at all if you stop using this product. So I guess you can kind of think of it as like a hair growth pill. So you take the hair growth pill to grow your hair. If you stop taking the hair growth pill, your hair stops growing. So pretty much the same concept or the same effect. Another good question that you might be asking is, will this lash therapy irritate my eyes? So it says the lash therapy is formulated with the highest quality ingredients by industry-leading experts to create the perfect balance while achieving maximum efficiency. When used correctly, lash therapy shouldn't cause any irritations. Some users with sensitive skin may experience slight irritation if they apply too much of the product, don't follow the directions, or use the product too frequently. If irritation occurs, then you do want to discontinue using this product. So those are all of the details of this eyelash serum. So now I'm just going to show you my lashes, just give you a close-up of just how they look currently. My face is a little ashy, a little dry, but you know, never mind that. We're just looking at the eyelashes. And then I'm going to show you how I apply this serum for the first time. So I'm just going to read the instructions and just follow it like it says. And so that way you guys can see how I will be applying this nightly. This will be a nightly routine. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Y'all, I can't see without my glasses, so I'm going to try to get as close as I can to this little side mirror I got so I can see. Okay, so where's the instructions? What does it say? How to apply it. So it says first thing you want to do is cleanse and dry your face before applying the product. Okay, so let's clean the face. Okay, face clean. Alright, so it says remove the applicator brush and wipe any excess product at the tube opening before applying. Use a single stroke. Apply the lash therapy along the skin of the upper lash line only. Allow 90 seconds for the product to dry before applying any additional products. It's important to know that you should only apply the serum to the upper lash because the product will transfer to the lower lashes when you blink or close your eyes. And applying this product more than once a day is not going to increase your growth. It doesn't really have a scent to it. All right, so it has been past 90 seconds and it is dry. So I'm hoping I don't experience any irritations because I always seem to be the one to have bad luck with stuff. But I haven't really seen anybody complain about any side effects using this product, which is good. So again, this is my first time using a eyelash serum. I'm very interested and excited to see if it's going to grow my lashes and the time frame that it says. I will definitely keep you guys updated via my Instagram as well as YouTube. I might put up something just to kind of give you guys maybe like a mid update. Like a 3-month update just to let you know where I am, where I stand. Other than that, that's pretty much all I have. I just wanted to introduce this product to you from Hello Skincare. This again is the Lash Therapy Lash Serum. I don't have a discount code, but hopefully if this works and I'm able to partner with the company, then I can get a discount code for you guys maybe. But I hope it works. Because if it don't work, then no discount code because I won't be using it. But I hope you guys enjoy watching me just give you the, like I said, the highlights and just intro of this eyelash serum. And I will definitely keep you guys updated on what is going on and just any experiences or changes that I'm seeing. So just be on the lookout for the mid update, which will be 3 months from now. And I will come back and just give you just a follow-up before the final. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It does help my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on your notification bells. So bell, not bells. There's only one bell. So that way you'll know when the next video will be released. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.